Hello, up now. This is Cloud speaking. Our ceiling dehumidifier 3 units have finished, and also our QC have tested all is fine. I'll open one again for your check. You see it is running. The fan, and it's humidifying now. We set 30, and now actual humidity is 70. For more details, you can check our YouTube video I shared you before. For this ceiling dehumidifier, you can see here. Also for this side, and we can open it this side. Yeah, you see it's easy to maintain for the ceiling dehumidifiers. This side also, the other side, all is easy to open.